Good evening, everyone. This is Rancher Banyon out here this evening with the cattle. I just wanted to give a little update on Thunder's baby here, number 20. Her name is Rain. Rain had baby, Thunder had baby Rain. She's doing really well. Beautiful little heifer she is. Just wanted to walk around the cow herd and show you some of the baby calves. Here's number 29. He's out of one of the Angus cows. Oh, there goes number 37 over there. Little boy, there's his mama on the left. Beautiful evening this evening.